Then we have acceptance of a bid and approval for contract and resolution number
1-23.
1-23. Appointing purchasing agent for the Mitch Park and Coffee Creek Trail renovation project for community image for $2,412,009. Partial ARPA funding. Where we're going to have a presentation.
Ryan's ready to do that.
All right, Ryan.
All right, a few slides here to illustrate. So the trail renovation project, this is, before you this evening, is to award construction of this project. So I wanted to walk you through this project and a little of our timeline. So look back at Mitch Park in 1996, certainly looked different than we know it today. But you can start to see the inner developings of our trail network and our system. And then 2004 is when the larger outer loop became to be constructed. So about, we're closing in on 20 years. And we've certainly got a lot of use out of them, but we've about got the good out of them. So this project will actually rebuild and reconstruct these trails through Mitch Park and the where it adjoins and traverses through the Coffee Creek neighborhood. So you can see in this previous picture actually that we've done some patching before and tried and helped a little bit, but certainly didn't meet the needs. So this project will not look anything like that. It'll actually take all this out, redo the base, and actually widen the outer loop from the about 10-foot wide that it is now to 12-foot. All the other inner network of trails and through Coffee Creek will remain the same. So we'll also get into some details like fixing the concrete that's kind of chipped away here at the bridge and get this back to what it should be. Another thing this project will do will address some ADA ramp or some accessibility ramps here. These shown the picture here, this device is it lets people know the transition coming, that they're entering into a street. Those are currently worn smooth in some areas, so those will be all replaced, rebuilt, as with the bollards. You'll see those here in just a minute. One feature I want to point out is that this bid was set up so that this highlighted area here is an alternate to the bid. It's because at the time when this was bid, and we're still looking at potential of developing some fields. Maybe they're here, maybe they're somewhere else. But this is an alternate. We are recommending that be ahead and be awarded so that we can realize the efficiency of rebuilding that with the rest of the system. Here's just some details. You can see the crosswalk, how to be rebuilt with the bollards and the safety devices, some lighted LED bollards. We're also going to make the connections here to Hunter's Creek and Hunter's Point. That's what you're seeing there. And I'm happy to entertain any questions.
Thanks so much. This has been needed for a long time, and like you said, we've been trying to patch it, and it's not efficient. So I'm glad that we're taking these out and doing them right. I sure appreciate this.
We're very glad to be able to. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ryan.